Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Bigcommerce. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Making money online is a great way to earn some extra income, and Bigcommerce is one of the best platforms to do it. With a wide range of features and an easy-to-use interface, Bigcommerce makes it easy to set up a store and start selling. Plus, with a wide range of products available, you can find something to sell that appeals to your target audience. First, we'll take a look at why Bigcommerce is a great platform for selling online. Bigcommerce offers a wide range of features such as a user-friendly interface, a wide range of products, and competitive prices. It is also easy to use with helpful resources such as video tutorials and 24/7 customer support. Additionally, Bigcommerce offers a variety of customizable design options, giving you the ability to create a unique and visually appealing store that stands out from the competition. Next, we'll discuss how to sell on Bigcommerce. The first step is to choose a niche or market that you want to focus on. This could be anything from fashion to home decor, electronics, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. Once you have your niche, look for items that would go well with that market. Research popular products within your niche and consider what unique features or services you can offer to differentiate yourself from the competition. After that, create a Bigcommerce store and promote it through social media and other marketing channels. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and engage with potential customers. Additionally, consider investing in paid advertising to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. Another important aspect of selling on Bigcommerce is pricing. It is important to offer competitive prices and to research what similar products in your niche are priced at. Additionally, consider offering discounts and promotions to attract customers and boost sales. One of the most important things to consider when selling on Bigcommerce is customer service. Make sure to respond promptly to any customer inquiries and address any issues or concerns in a timely and professional manner. This will help to build trust and loyalty with your customers, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Another way to stand out from the competition is to offer unique and high-quality products. Consider sourcing unique products from local artisans or small businesses, or even creating your own products. This will give your store a unique edge and appeal to customers looking for something different. There you have it, a guide on how to make money with Bigcommerce. By following these tips, you can be successful in selling on Bigcommerce and make money online. Remember, the key to success on Bigcommerce is to choose the right niche, find the right products to sell, promote your store effectively, offer competitive prices, provide good customer service, and offer unique and high-quality products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online with Bigcommerce and other platforms. Remember, with hard work and dedication, you can turn your Bigcommerce store into a profitable business. Thanks for watching and good luck on your Bigcommerce journey.